And welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. If you haven't got all your ingredients ready, now is the time to pause the video, get all your ingredients ready and then we can start cooking. But in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you're notified when I post new videos. And hopefully with my experience, you'll be able to cook great Indian cuisine. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to cook this delicious prawn madras. Now, prawns are one of my favourites, and if you like prawns, then this dish is a must. I'm going to cook the prawns with the shells on because what I want to do is maximise the flavour of this dish and also retain the shape of the prawns. When you cook prawns with the shells on, it doesn't shrink the prawns and it retains the shape of the prawn inside the shell. So basically you get best of both. You get the flavour from the shells, what goes into the curry, and also you get the taste of the prawns. And believe me, this is probably one of the flavoursome prawn dishes you'll ever try. So let's begin. Now, to cook my prawn dish, we do need to clean these prawns really well. Get rid of all the grit and the grime and the dirt, and also the vein at the back of the prawn which contains all the waste. So I'm going to show you how to clean it all up and make it easier to eat when you go to eat the curry. So we're going to cut the prawn right along the back and open it up and take out the vein, as you can see. Now do this to all the prawns, and also it'll help us when we go to eat it to take it out much easier when we're eating this dish. So carry on doing this to all the prawns until it's all nice and cleaned. So that's it. I'm going to now leave you to watch this video and make it simple for you to understand as well how to make this lovely dish. Coming to the end of this curry, we just put the coriander. Now we're going to bring it to the boil and then put a lid on and let it simmer very gently for the next 20 minutes. And that's it, the curry is finished. I hope you enjoy this prawn curry on shell. It's really delicious. Give it a go and you'll see what I mean. And thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. But before I go, remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified every time I post new videos. So I bid you goodbye, and I hope you enjoy this lovely prawn madras dish.